Imagine this, it's Monday morning, you're unlocking your store, ready for another day of business. But you stop cold when you see the damage. Broken windows, a smashed door, missing inventory, it's a nightmare. Or maybe, it's that you're facing unexpected repairs and have to close your shop for days. What if I told you there's a way to protect your retail business from these kinds of risks and keep your livelihood safe? If you're a retail store owner, you know how much time, money, and effort goes into running your business. Today, we're diving into something every retail business owner should know: how to get retail store insurance in the USA. We'll walk you through each step, explaining what you need, what each type of insurance covers, and how to find the right policy for your shop. Let's understand the process. Why retail store insurance is essential. First up, let's talk about why retail store insurance matters so much. When you run a retail store, you face various risks, from property damage to theft and even injuries on your property. That's why having a tailored insurance plan can make a huge difference. Understanding the types of retail store insurance. There are several types of insurance coverage you can choose from. Let's break down each one so you know what you're dealing with. General liability insurance. Think of this as the must-have policy for most retail stores. General liability covers a range of situations where someone other than an employee gets hurt on your property. Here are some scenarios it could cover. Slip and fall injuries. Let's say a customer slips on a wet floor in your store. General liability can help cover medical costs. Damage to someone else's property. If a display accidentally falls and damages a customer's belongings, this policy has you covered. In short, it helps with financial protection for accidents involving non-employees and third-party property. Workers' compensation insurance. Now, if you have employees, then you'll likely need workers' compensation insurance. Many states actually require it. This policy helps cover medical expenses and lost wages if someone gets injured on the job. So, if an employee gets hurt while lifting boxes or trips on a step, workers' comp can help with their medical expenses and even wages they may lose while recovering. Commercial property insurance. Next up, we've got commercial property insurance. This is essential if you own the building where your store is located or have valuable equipment, inventory, or fixtures. Commercial property insurance can help cover damages to your property from fire, wind, or even vandalism. Product liability insurance. If you're selling physical products, product liability insurance is important. It's usually bundled within general liability, but it's worth mentioning separately. This coverage can help if a customer claims your product caused them harm. Imagine you sell a product that ends up with a defect and causes an injury to a customer. Product liability can help cover the costs of legal defense and damages. Business Owner's Policy, BOP. Let me introduce you to the Business Owner's Policy, or BOP for short. This is a package deal that combines general liability and commercial property coverage. A BOP can be more cost-effective than buying the two separately. With a BOP, you're covering things like slip and fall accidents and property damage due to vandalism, all in one bundle. It's convenient and often more affordable. Step-by-step guide to getting retail store insurance. Alright, now that you know about the types of insurance available, let's get into the step-by-step guide on how to get retail store insurance for your business. Step 1. Assess your needs. Start by assessing your business's unique needs. Ask yourself these questions. What risks are specific to your business? Do you have employees? Do you own or lease the property? Step 2. Choose the coverage you need. Once you know your needs, look at the types of insurance we talked about. General liability, to cover injuries and property damage involving third parties. Workers' comp, essential if you have employees. Commercial property, for protection against theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Product liability, if you sell physical products. BOP, if you want a bundled package of general liability and commercial property. Step 3. Get a free quote. Once you have your list of coverages, it's time to get quotes. Many insurance providers, like Next Insurance, offer free quotes online. It only takes about 10 minutes, and you'll have a better idea of the costs based on your specific needs. Step 4. Compare quotes and policies. Compare quotes and policy details to find the best fit for your budget. Look at the specifics like deductible amounts, coverage limits, and any exclusions. Step 5. Buy your policy. Once you've reviewed your options and selected the right plan, it's time to buy your policy. With Next Insurance, you can manage everything online, including getting proof of insurance instantly. Make sure you have your documents handy. Step 6. Set up payment options. One great thing about many insurers, including Next Insurance, is that they offer flexible payment plans. Pay-as-you-go options can be really helpful for cash flow, especially if you're a new business. Step 7. Regularly review and update your policy. Your business is always evolving, and so should your insurance. Review your policy annually or whenever there's a big change, like hiring more employees or expanding your store. Saving money on retail store insurance. Let's face it, insurance is a must, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Here are a few ways to save money on retail store insurance. Bundle policies. Opt for a business owner's policy to combine liability and property insurance for a lower rate. Increase deductibles. A higher deductible means lower premiums. Just make sure you're comfortable with the deductible amount. Compare rates. Don't settle for the first quote, check several providers. Ask about discounts. Some insurers offer discounts based on your business type, safety measures, and years in business. And that's it. With the right insurance in place, you can run your retail store with peace of mind, knowing you're protected from the unexpected. Take these steps, assess your needs, and find the policy that fits your business perfectly. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.